Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials, a working Google Voice number and WhatsApp installed. Sign into Voice. Google.com, confirm your number is active and enable forwarding settings. This ensures calls or SMS arrive. Next, open WhatsApp and begin registration. When prompted for a phone number, enter your Google Voice number. Why? Because WhatsApp sends a verification code by SMS or call, and Google Voice must receive that message. Once done, wait for the code to arrive in your voice inbox or via a voice call. Once you request verification, WhatsApp will try SMS first. Make sure you monitor the Google Voice inbox immediately. If the SMS doesn't appear within the timeout, request the automated call. Answer that call in Google Voice and listen for the 6-digit code. Write it down as you hear it. If Google Voice blocks messages, use the web client or a second device to trigger another attempt. This can sometimes bypass carrier filtering. Make sure to enter the exact code promptly, because codes expire quickly. After entering the code, finish your WhatsApp profile and enable 2-step verification for security. If verification fails, confirm Google Voice can receive SMS/calls. Check forwarding, region settings, and that Do Not Disturb or call screening is off. Also make sure WhatsApp has SMS and phone permissions, then retry. Key troubleshooting tip: if Google Voice appears blocked by WhatsApp, try clearing app cache or using a different temporary number for initial verification. Then change the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.